welcome back. Let's start with the first part of the choreography. At the beginning of the track, you can hear some special sound effects and beats, which we're going to use for a little introduction today. Open your feet more than shoulder width, come into a nice and wide stance, and push your hip to the left. Bring your hands into your side and look down to the ground. So you can hear a special sound effect. For the first time, we do nothing. For the second time, we're gonna lift the head and bring the hip back to center. So again, push your hip to the left. Imagine there's someone standing beside you and you push the person away with your hip and look down to the floor. So, first special effect, nothing is happening. Second special sound effect, lift your head and bring your hip back to center, like this. Then you have 7 beats. We use these 7 beats for some isolation work. Isolation means that we move body parts separately. So we start with the head. So we just move the head to the left like this and come back to center. It's a beat, so we have to do the movement quick and sharp like this. Boom. Okay, this is our first move, just the head to the left. 1. The second move is the left shoulder on 2, boom. Only the left shoulder, don't move the right shoulder, don't move the upper body, just the shoulder on 2. Then we open the chest, and I show you the movement from the side. So pop your chest out, ha, and come back to center. That's the third beat, just the chest. Then you collapse your left knee inwards. So lift your left heel off the ground so you can let your knee collapse easily inwards. That's the next beat. Then we have the head again. Just bring your gaze to the right. Boom. Now shift your weight onto your right leg like this. Hop. And the last beat is the head again. Just turn back and look forward. Whew, that was a lot. Let's repeat everything from the beginning. So we start with the head. This is 1. Then we have the shoulder, 2. Pop your chest out on 3. Now the knee, 4. Look, 5. Shift your weight, 6. Look back on 7. Good. Really push your hip to the right. Really sit into your hip. Now we have 2 more special sound effects. On 8. And then on 8, you release the left hand and you just swipe something away from your shoulder. Some negative energy, some trash, just swipe it away. Okay, good. Let's do it from the very, very beginning. So push your hip to the left, look down. So first, sound effect, nothing is happening. Second, bring your hip back and look forward. The beats, we have head, we have shoulder, we have the chest. Collapse your knee, look, shift, look, and 8. Good, let me count you through the beats. We have 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good, got it? Let's try only the introduction part with music. So push your hip to the left, look down, bring your hands into your sides like this or like this, how it feels good for you, and just listen to the beats. Let's try the introduction part. Come back to center. Now the beats, head first. 1, shoulder, chest, knee, look to the side, shift, back, and 8. Yes, good. Hope you made it. Let's repeat this one more time. Remember, sharp and strong and quick movements. Let's go. One more time here. Look down. Hip to the left. Come back to center. Start with the head. Boom. Shoulder. Chest. Knee. Look. Transition. Ha. And swipe. 1. Good. That was the introduction part. So we finished here with our weight on the right leg. Left knee is twisting, and just bring the right hand into your side and you swiped away. Now you have count number 1. We have just 2 simple steps. So you step forward with the left, then with the right, and then you fall onto the left leg like this, boom, stomp, then switch over to the other side, boom, like this. So I just fall forward. I show you the movement from the side, so easy steps at the beginning. I hope you know how to step forward. So on the count number 3 and 4, there we're gonna fall onto the legs, boom, boom. And you fall onto the leg, and the other leg is bent, and there is no weight on the leg. And then you switch over, ha, ha, ha. Just stop like this. Again, just try this for a few times. Stop, 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 stop. Good. Okay, let's start from the top. So we finished the introduction here. Then you have 2 steps. So walk, walk, stop it, stop it. Good. I hope you have enough space around you at home to really do the steps as big as you can. So what are the arms doing? So we swipe here. With the first step, release the left arm. With the second step, release the right arm. And then as you shift your weight onto the left leg, cross your arms in front of your upper body. Flex your hands like this. And then with the last step, you just open the arms like this. So here, my weight is on the right leg. Push your hip to the right, and the left leg is bent, and there's no weight on it. Yes, good. Let's do it a little bit faster. So we stopped here, 7 and 8, drop 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, for the hat. So from here, we finish the introduction, and 8, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So feel comfortable with this movement. Maybe you want to use some own arm variation, then do this. The most important thing is that you feel good and comfortable with your movements. So again, one more time, maybe you want to do my arm variations, then let's go, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So from here, we stopped here, then you just do a step with the left out to the side like this. Easy going. So there's no weight on the left leg, just step out like this. What is happening in my upper body? I'm twisting from right to left. I'm hiding my right arm behind my upper body, and I'm touching the side of my head, or a part of my ear, and I twist over to the right. Then I'm using my hip, so from here, boom, I'm twisting and I push my hip to the left, and then I switch over. So I open, I hug myself with my right arm, and I twist to the left, and the left elbow is pulling backwards. Okay, let's do it from the beginning slowly. 7 and 8. Walk, walk, stop, stop, open, twist to the right, and twist to the left. So maybe you can see my hip here. So I push my hip to the right like this, and then I come back to the left. Boom. Just try this for a few times. Good. And then when you're ready, add your arms. So hide your right arm behind your upper body, and then give yourself a hug with your right arm like this. Good. Switch over. Hop and hop. Hop and hop. Good. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just walk, walk, stop, stop, boom, boom. Then imagine you want to sit on an imaginary chair, bend both legs, and push your hip to the right. So sit in your hip like this. Keep your gaze to the left, and then on count number 8, boom, you look to the front. Good. Again. Make sure when you walk that you don't walk like this. No, cross your legs so it looks a little bit more elegant here. So 7 and 8, walk, walk, stop, stop, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good, a little bit faster, then let's try this with music. 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's put this together with the introduction and then let's try it with music, okay? So push your hip to the left, look down to the ground. First special sound effect, nothing is happening. Second, lift your head, come back to center. 7, 8, you have head, shoulder, chest, knee, look, shift, look, ka-ka, and walk, walk, stop, stop, boom, ha, 7 and 8. Good. Let's try it with music. Find a nice and wide stance, push your hip to the left, look down. Come back to center. 7 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, swipe. Walk. 1, 2, ha, ha, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Hope you made it. Let's go for one more time. Remember, exaggerate the movements and do them sharp and with power. Let's go. Come back to center. Start with the head. 1, 2, 3. Knee, look, shift. Let's walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now we finished here. Good work, guys. So your weight is on your right leg. Let's continue with the so-called ball change. So ball change means we start with the left foot, left, right. The arms are staying like this. Nothing changes here in my upper body, just the feet, left, right. Again, come back. So it's a change. You start with the left, then you cross the left leg in front with the right. So from here, and 1. Yes, that are the counts. So you have 7, 8, and 1. Now step out with the left leg and at the same time, kick out with the right leg and snap like this. So flex the right foot to really kick it up, and then at the same time you extend the arms and give me a snap just for the feeling, boom. And now lean slightly backwards, up. Let's count number 2. So we stepped here on 8 and 1, 2. Good, like this. Now we have a movement, maybe you know this movement from one of my hip hop basic step tutorials. So we have a step called cabbage patch. It looks like this. Forward, backwards, roll it around. So we use this step today as well, but we do it like this. So we shift the weight forward, backwards, and now we're gonna go for a double step to the right, and on count 6, we bring the knee up. So again, we stepped here. So forward, bring your arms backwards, and then come back. And now double step and you roll your arms like this. So I'm rolling in front of my chest. So from here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. So very important here is keep your legs long and then contract and bring the knee to your chest. Good. Let's go one more time from here. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Amazing. Let's go a little bit faster. So sit down on the chair. 5, 6, 7, 8, ball change. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the left knee is in the air. Just bring the leg down. Cross your standing leg in front. And now you turn over the right shoulder. So tap onto your right shoulder. And now move the right shoulder backwards. Start to turn. And then you finish the turn. And your legs aren't crossed anymore. They're open like this. The arms, very important here. So we stopped here with the wiggling. Very important is that you don't extend your arms, otherwise it's very difficult to find and maintain the balance during the turn. So bring the arms close to your upper body, engage your core. It's a fast turn. Hop, and just turn around. So you slightly lift your heels off the ground like this, not a releve like you maybe know it from my bar workouts or belly workouts. So stay here, soft and close to the floor. Good. Let's do it from here again. So very important here, leg and arms are in one line, so parallel. Don't do this, don't do this. Stay here. And then you have the kind of cabbage patch move. Double knee, cross your standing leg and turn around. That's it for today. So again, let's try from here, sitting on that chair. 7, 8, ball change and snap. Forward, backward, wiggle around, step and turn. Double time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's bring everything together. Let's start from here. I think the introduction is fine, so let's start with the first 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Guys, how's it going? Let's do it with music. So, we start with the introduction. Nice and wide stance. Push your hip to the left. Hands onto your sides. Look down. Let's go from the beginning. Back to center. Now the 7 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Look right, look left. Sit. Up. Wiggle knee. Turn around. Good. So the movements today are perfectly matching to the beats. So maybe when the movements are good, try to listen to the music and really work on the beats. So let's try it one more time. Here we go. Push your hip to the left. Look down. Try to find the beats. Let's walk. 1, 2. Look, sit, up. Wiggle knee, turn, hang. Good, amazing. Now, there are 2 options for you. Maybe you want to continue this dance, then click the link here to get onto my website to learn the whole dance. Maybe you want to continue with another dance tutorial here on YouTube, then check out my latest dance tutorial over here. Enjoy dancing with me and hope to see you soon in the next dance party.